All right, what is up, guys? What is up? What is up? What's up? How's everyone doing? All right, welcome. If I hope everyone can hear me.
Yes, please.
All right, let's get into it ASAP. I hope everyone can hear me. Where are you coming from? If you're on the live YouTube comment, where are you coming from? Where are you from? Sorry, where are you from? Let me put it that way. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Welcome, 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 welcome. All right, so we have a lot to talk about. Wow, it's already selling. All right, so quickly, I don't know if I'm really wrong with the New York session. Yesterday was, some way on the New York session. The time wasn't right. I learned it's because of the daylight savings or something. So I changed the time, and it looks like today is, I don't know. I don't know. All right, so we wanted to trade CPI news today, right? So CPI news is in, and what we are going to do is first trade we are going to sell Bitcoin, right? First trade sell BTC. I'm going to put a TP. I'm going to explain the setup and everything here. Sell US32, sell US30, sell BTC. I'm going to explain the setups behind them later. Right, it seems today we really had the New York session, but right, so sell US30, sell BTC, USD. Right, we would definitely talk about the setups later. Right, so it's going to be something like this. Shorts, yes, short till maybe 36,060. Maybe we could get 200 points here, who knows. Let's see. Lesotho, Gambia. Okay, CPI news. Let's see. What was it? All right, was positive 0.9. Okay, 0.9. Okay, 0.9, 0.6. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. I get it. So let's close US30. We would still trade US30 in an hour. All right, let's close US30. Right, let's close. Maybe it's in profit, but let's still close US30. Okay, we will still trade it back. Okay, so now let's start. Welcome, 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 everyone. Maxwell, how are you doing? Fred, Mr. Fred, how are you doing?
Dog, I'm doing very, very well by God's grace. I
Yeah,
hope you're fine too.
I'm very fine. I'm very, very, very fine. Emmanuel, how are you? Auntie Efia, how are you? Safas, how are you? All right, so let's start. Right, so Bitcoin. Yesterday I made some analysis on Bitcoin, and I told you guys that we are currently on a breakout on Bitcoin, and market has to definitely come for a retest. After every breakout, market always comes for what, a retest before it goes up, or it's either have a reversal, trade right to the downside. So we are going to be looking for short opportunities on Bitcoin today, right? Because we still have more, sales coming to maybe 64k. That will give us like 200 pips. So today we are going to get an entry on Bitcoin, and we would definitely trade other pairs too. Okay, and so I'm all bearish on Bitcoin for now. Maybe it could go to 80k, 90k as many are, as assuming, but I'm still all short on Bitcoin, right? So we would be looking for selling opportunities on Bitcoin. Maybe when it comes, but when this fake outs finishes, it comes back here. We'll be looking for selling opportunities on Bitcoin, right? Any questions with this?
No, I don't have any question.
All right. So let's go to the next thing. So let's first talk about odd NZD. Look at gold. I know what's happening on gold. Gold should buy today. Yes, it should buy. The CPI should send it up. The CPI should send it up. Then US30 will fall. Don't worry, we would get everything at the right time. Right. Let's go to the next odd NZD. Odd NZD. What is my bias there? Odd NZ. So this is odd NZD, right? So I'm going long on odd NZD. You can buy now, right? My stop loss. This I'm risking 20 pips for 60 pips. All right, that's like 1:3. I'm risking 20 pips for 60 pips. Why am I going for a sell? You can see the trend of this market is a downtrend, so we are looking for selling opportunities. Obviously, you can see markets came for a lower lows, a lower highs. What's happened? Another lower low. So we are going to have a lower high to somewhere here, and we will definitely come back for a lower low, right? I hope that's clear.
Yeah, sure.
All right, so we are looking for market has to go for a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high here. Then we will definitely come for another lower low here. So it's very, very basic. So I'm just looking for scalps here, just scalps. That's why I'm just looking for 60 pips. Then I'll just go out of the market, let the market maybe come back here. Then we would be looking for what selling opportunities down back to this side. So I'm looking for selling opportunities on odds NZD. All right. I'm looking for.
I'm waiting.
Yes, you told me that you're waiting because you want to get some sales back here. I get it.
Yeah.
Right. It's better. It's always better you await yes, always better you await the market to give you the lower highs. You would definitely come back for what your sales, right? So let's go to the next thing. So odd NZD, this is my TP. That's my stop loss, right? So it's just a scalp signal, right? So TP, you can see it on your screen if you are watching this. 60 pips TP, 20 pips stop loss. I can't write, I'm sorry. Someone should write. You should see it on your screen. It should be very clear.
Elvis, what's up, bro?
How are you? Yes. Go just
Elvis, what do
grow.
you think of US 30, bro?
We would talk about US30 later.
Okay.
Look at gold. I'll definitely look at gold. Right, so
This guy likes US30 every day, but say
Elvis, I was in sales. I got out at 8:23, just a minute before this happened. A minute, bro.
You would see on US30. Don't worry. You would see on US30. So odd NZD buys here. All right, cool. We're good on that. Let's go to the next pair. We are going to be talking about NZD card.
Can you zoom out your odd NZD setup? Oh, okay. I've seen it. I just want to see your setup very well.
Yes, so if you're going to use an arrow, it should be something like this. Goes here, then has that reversal back here. So it's still a downtrend. Overall bearish market. Overall bearish trend. Okay. Overall bearish trend.
Yes, thank you.
Right. I had like $85 in my account when he said it should sell. What's fair? US30 just blew mark. What happened on US30? It's in profits, guys. Chill. It's in profits. US30 sales are in profit. I told you to close because I don't want us to trade it now. We'll definitely trade it later. So US30 is selling. I don't know what complaint you are giving there. All right, USDT is selling. I'm looking for selling opportunities today, but we will definitely get it at the right time. Right, we will definitely get it at the right time. So we close in profit quickly. All right, let's go to the next NZD card. All right, so NZD card, I'm also bearish on NZD. Most of the NZD pairs, market is having a downtrend. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, look at the 4-hour time frame. How do you blow your accounts when the trade is in profits? I don't get it. Alas Davis. We will check gold. Don't worry, we'll check gold. All right, so NZD card, right? I'm going to be bearish on NZD card here today because market is overall bearish, right? Overall bearish. Yes, overall bearish. If you're going to draw another trend line, we would see we are going to be making some the trend line somewhere here, so it could come here, but I'm not going to be selfish here. You're not going to be selfish. I'm just going to be looking for, we could be getting more than even 100 pips movement. We could even be getting is it 180? Look at this. This could be 180 pips, but I don't want us to be greedy. We are just here to make something small, then we leave. So it's going to be 100 pips. Okay, we are going to be targeting 100 pips. Alas Davis, you probably traded the wrong pair. Yes, he probably traded the wrong pair. Some people are here for signals. I don't think if you are here for signals, that would be the best reason. Right.
Hey, we see the bio.
Yes. All right, so NZD card, we are looking for selling opportunities, but look at what is happening here. There's a big zone here which support is holding, right? Support is holding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Support is holding. So that means if this support can break, if this whole support can break, definitely we could get some. The sell would be validated. Do you get it?
Very, very correct.
Yeah. Sure.
The sell would be validated. So there's a very strong, you can see markets rejected this level. Came not just the first one, which rejected somewhere here, made the bullish pattern. It's rejected, came back to the zone, to the support, went back up again, rejected, came back here, rejected again. So this says like as a very, very big strong support. So if market could break below this support, trust me, we are going to
Hello, Elvis.
Are you using sell stops now?
Michael, what's up? How are you?
I'm fine. Please, did you check NAS 100?
Wait, you guys, you just joined. Check. Right.
Are you gonna use sell stops always?
Yes, I'm going to use sell stops on NZD card. All right, guys. We always start with Forex pairs before we talk about stock pairs. So if you just joined, please be patient.
Okay,
we're definitely going to talk about US30 and all those pairs. Don't tell me to go check this. Go check this.
Don't you think your sell stop is gonna be weak?
Pardon?
It's not too close to the zone.
Yes, I'm just risking little here, just 30 pips. Right, I'm just risking little here because if market should come here, right, if market should maybe sell stop gets activated, the probability that if market rejects this zone again is going to go here. So I'm just risking less here. You always put stop loss at where stop loss should be put at. Okay, so if the sell stops get activated and market definitely rejects this zone and goes up, we could be looking for what?
Buying opportunity.
Exactly, selling opportunity. So let's wait on that. Let's wait on that.
Doc, will it be appropriate to wait for it to break and for that four candlestick to maybe close for you to get a confirmation before you enter the sell?
Would it be what? Come again.
Would it be appropriate for you to wait for that zone to get broken and then get a confirmation candle before entering the sell, or you should put a sell stop?
I think the sell stop would do, because if market could break this whole level, they are the wicks. These are the what we attack. These are our enemies now. So if market could break below, definitely that's the whole support. The holding support is the zone that I drew here. So if market could break below the whole support, this whole support, definitely we're going to be looking on sells, right? Sells would be, and this whole free move could be 900 pips. Right, could be 900 pips. Okay. So sell stops at 0 points. Let me even get into this trade. For NZD card. Right, so sell stop activated. Nice. So 2 trades so far. NZD, odd NZD buys, NZD card sells, sell stops. Right, so if you just joined, welcome. Do like the video, okay? Do like the video. Do like the video. Let's go talk about gold now. You're not carrying us along here. I don't get it. I don't get what you guys are saying. So this is going to be the second trade, sell stops on NZD card. Let's go talk about gold. Wow. Gold has finally broken this level. I was looking for sell stops, right? I didn't want to sell this market, right? I was looking for sell stops on gold 1818, but we didn't, they didn't get activated. So we are very lucky the sell stop didn't get activated. Gold is currently bullish. Gold is currently very, 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 very bullish, right? Very, very, very bullish. So let me just delete this. So delete all sell stops from yesterday. The 1818, it didn't get activated. Gold is bullish now. From the CPI news, right? It has broken this whole support. This whole resistance. Right, so gold it still has a free range to play out. So gold is still bullish. Alright, so no trades on gold. I would rather watch gold from this side. Alright. So no trade here, no trade on gold. Nice. Yesterday we had some trades. What were the trades? Yesterday we had some trades. Yesterday we had some trades.
G card.
Yes, G card. Wow, beautiful. G card, beautiful. So yesterday we took, I think, 2 trades, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we took just two trades. GBP card, beautiful. We could even be targeting 140 pips, but man, let's just go for 70 pips. It's okay. So if you took this trade yesterday, beautiful 70 pips, all TP smashed, you can just close positions and be at peace. Okay, and be at peace. What did the CPI news do to USD? We'll figure out USD and some bits. You are selling calls online, and the kind of strategy are not encouraging. I've been following for some time, and now I think you just blow your horns. Wow. I don't blow my horns. I just do what I do, bro. So 70 pips matched from yesterday. Close our position. We took another trade too. I forgotten which other trade did we take.
Doc, that CPI news, does it affect silver?
Yes, CPI affects silver. We will look at silver soon.
I think we took some sales on silver, but it has affected it.
Okay.
I'm sure it has hit stop loss by this time.
Okay, let's go to GBP USD. So GBP USD is also running. We'll talk about silver too. Don't worry. We'll talk about silver, gold, US 30, all these commodity pairs. I want us to finish with the currency pairs, and we'll go to the next trade. Yes, NZD card, sell stops. NZD card sell. So GBP USD from yesterday is also running nice in profits. Some would say we blow our own horns. I don't come and tell you that I'm good. You would see that I'm good and you will come to me. So GBP USD sell stops, nice running. Let's go to the next one. So two trades so far. Odd NZD buys, right? Odd NZD buys, and this is it. Odd NZD buys. Okay, odd NZD buys. So you should buy this. Put your stop loss. Put your TP. Okay. So buy at market order, right? At market, no buy limit, no buy stops or whatever you. Okay, and NZD card. So those are going to be my currency pairs today. So let's go straight to yes, NZD card. We are using sell stops. So this is a sell stop for those that didn't get it, right? This is it. Odd NZD buy, NZD card sell stops at this level. Yes, sell stops there. No, I haven't done US 30 yet. We will do US 30. All right, and let's look at GBP NZD. Look at GBP NZD. Look at GBP. Wow, Bitcoin is selling. It's buying. Wow. GBP NZD. Let's look at GBP NZD quickly. All right, so I'll be looking for selling opportunities here. What happened here, right? Market makers know that a lot of people will be. There's a nice downtrend. There's a nice, beautiful downtrend, right? And market makers know that a lot of people will be looking for, buys above this. They will be thinking that there's a breakout, right? So a lot of people will be going for buys, and boom, they faked a lot of traders out. I've been watching this pair for 1 week now, and I think this is the right time to sell it. Should it be? This is the right time to sell GBP NZD. Why? Look at the look at DXY. DXY is currently bullish, so that means I'm looking at XXX USD pairs to sell, right? XXX USD pairs to sell. So GBP is an affiliate of GBP USD. So if GBP USD is selling, GBP NZD should be sold. So let's sell this now by market order. Right, let's sell GBP NZD by market order. GBP NZD, let's sell by market order. GBP NZD, let's sell by market order.
We are selling with 30 minutes time frame, right?
Yes, with 30-minute time frame. Let's sell by market order. Okay, so where would our stop loss be, right? Some people would want us to put sell stops here, but I don't think we should. Oh, let's see. What do you guys think on the Zoom? What do you guys think on the Zoom?
Stop loss, stop loss.
Maybe
George,
above the next week.
yeah, we should wait for a sell stop, right? Let me see confirmations. Man, I'm getting clapped by silver. Too bad. I'm just looking at my chart. I'm looking like, hey. All right, so that would be 19 pips, 18 pips. So we can wait for confirmation 18 pips and take a sell on GBP and ZD.
Obviously, you're saying something about the USD.
Come again.
You were saying something about USD XSX and XSX USD pairs, and you were saying DXY.
This is not
It's actually
USD, but
bullish.
this is NZD.
No, you made a statement that
mhm.
DXY is bullish. It's not to print, you know. So you were now saying you were going to do something about USD XSX or something like that. I'm just telling you that if you check.
I don't know how you correlate your DXY. You always, I don't know.
No,
Look at it this way.
I'm not talking about correlation. I'm talking about that it's not bullish.
You're talking about what?
I'm talking about that DXY is not currently very bullish. It's ranging. It's doing this up and down. It's not very.
Okay. We
Yes,
get you. We get you. But currently, if DXY is good, just understand it that way. DXY wouldn't be ranging. Yes, it's currently ranging. I understand that it's currently ranging, but DXY is currently going up. And if it's currently, look at what is going on presently. If it's currently going up, that means these XXX USD pairs are what? Going down. That is why if XXX USD pairs are going down, that means that GBP NZD, GBP card, look at GBP card, sells. It's positively correlates with what? GBP USD. So if GBP USD is selling, GBP card will be selling, GBP JPY will be looking for sales there to GBP odd. You can see it's also selling. So I'm saying that it's also positively correlated with what? GBP NZD. You can see GBP CHF is also what? Selling. So all these GBP pairs correlate, they positively correlate, they follow GBP USD. So if GBP USD is a sell, all these pairs are also what? Sells. So GBP, that's why I'm going for GBP NZD. Forget about what's happening on DXY. Do you get it? So that's why I'm saying GBP NZD is a sell. I'm not going to use sell order. Sell limit or sell stops or what have you.
Yeah, and I won't understand. All
right, so guys, let's sell GBP NZD. Let's sell GBP NZD. We'll be looking at 70 pips stop loss. 70 pips profit. It could be 170 for a swing, but let's not be greedy. Let's just look for 70 pips today. Okay, so TP. Let's hurry and go talk about US30 and these commodity pairs, right? Gold, silver, and the other ones. TP is at 1.89522. 522. That's like 70 pips. Okay, that's like 70 pips. Oh, that's like 70 pips. And I sell. So yes, sell by market order, right? So now, and we'll be looking for stop loss should where stop loss is, but let's risk very little here. Just maybe 30 pips. Let's just risk very little, 30 pips here. Let's risk very little here. So this is going to be stop loss would be TP would be but the whole trend you can see is a downtrend, right? You are looking for selling opportunities. This was just a fake out to fake traders into thinking that this is a breakout or something. Yeah, so stop loss somewhere here.
So basically, how you noticed was that you checked the DXY first before you decided what to do.
Yes, I did check DXY. DXY played a big role, but not really DXY. I always look for the move of GU to predict the move of all these GBP pairs. Okay.
Okay, yeah. Makes sense.
Is always USD card. I'm looking for buys there.
USD card is looking for buys there, right? Okay, before USD card, let's quickly go check on silver. I posted the signal on silver today.
Okay.
All right. So this is going to be GBP NZD sell. Right. Let's see. Right. Are we there? Is everyone there? Stop loss here. That's 30 pips. And TP is 70 pips. We could be targeting, we would add more positions if it breaks below this blue line. We would be adding more positions. And I'll definitely update you. Okay, so it's a nice profit now. Stop loss is 1.9649 on GBP NZD. All right, let's go talk about silver. Wow, silver did hit stop loss. Wow.
Always, I can't see your screen, or is it just me?
My screen is on. Those on the Zoom, can you see my screen?
Oh, okay, now it's fine.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Okay, so this is silver.
We to see the buy power. Huh?
We'll talk about Bitcoin too. Right, so this was my silver trade. We wanted to do this, right? Let's try to analyze what happened on silver. Right, this was what we were looking for on silver. Wow, it's very bullish. Now silver follows gold, right? So if gold is going to be bullish, silver would definitely be what? Very bullish too, right?
Yeah.
Yes, very bullish too.
Correct.
So gold, I'm not surprised silver is also buying because gold is, and there was a CPI news. Okay, there was a CPI news. So the news came to, you know what? Whenever news comes in the markets, what happens?
Technicals disappear.
Technicals disappear. So all technicals bow down. But I think it went to some little profit, then rejected, then boom. Oh, I hope people could see and had taken their profits. All right, so silver hit stop loss. Wow, just little pips up and stop loss. All right, so it's definitely has to come for a retest somewhere here. There's going to be a retest somewhere here before maybe a major move up or something. We'll see about that soon. All right, we'll see about that. So the CPI went against us. I never posted any trade here. This was just for those on the VIP. So if you're not on VIP, you wouldn't understand, right? So we're just looking for breakouts, bulls losing momentum, markets going down, going to look for or seek retest. So this was a retest, then the market go back up or maybe reverse to continue the trend, right? But CPI was a buy. Was it a bullish news? Yes, it was a bullish news. CPI 30, wow, was a bullish news. So CPI took this market up, right?
So what pairs does CPI affect in particular?
CPI affects all pairs with USD in them. Okay. CPI affects all pairs with USD in them, right?
As XSS USD pairs or USD SSS pairs?
USD pairs, all USD pairs. Because in a way, right, if CPI is going to affect GBP USD, it's going to affect what? GBP NZ is going to affect GBP card, it's going to affect all those GBP pairs, right? So it's just like that. Okay, so let's go to the next thing. Which pair? Gold. like I said, gold is bullish, right? Gold moves with silver, right? So if silver is bullish, gold is also bullish. So this was a breakout somewhere there. If you look at the breakout, somewhere there, I think this was somewhere the breakouts. It couldn't. People were thinking it's going to break and what? People were thinking it's going to break and what? Retest rates. So that's why a lot of people were looking for shorts in. But like I said, technically it was a very, very good thing. It was a very, very good trade, right? Technically it was a very, very, very good trade. If you were looking for sells on gold, don't get too hard on yourself. You were doing the right thing. I was also looking for sells on gold, but just that I wanted to have more confirmations, right? I wanted to have the gold sell at the right time, right? And I didn't take the sell though. And look at what happened. Boom. This is the news, right? This whole week was the news. How many pips? Let's see. Oh, 300 pips. Wow, 300 pips on gold. We couldn't catch it though. I would have been looking for selling opportunities. Trust me. I wasn't bullish on gold. I was just waiting. Let's go talk about the next pair. What pair? US 30. Someone is saying GBP NZD on fire. Let's see. Is it in profits?
Yeah.
Right. GBP NZD. All right, nice. It's in a little profit, right? A little 21 pips profit already, 22 pips profit already on GBP NZD. Nice. But we are targeting 70 pips. I'll let you guys know when we are going to add more positions and when we are going to move stop loss into entry. USD card, we will look at USD card. Let's look at the next thing. US 30. Okay, US 30. I'm still bearish on US 30, but let's still see. The session opens in 23 minutes, so we will see on US 30 soon. Gabby, we'll see on US 30 soon. Okay, we'll see on US 30 soon. And SXP 500 too. We would, let me see. I'm bearish on this actually. I'm bearish on SXP. All right, so let's take a trade on SXP. Even if you're going to, now look at this. Let's go back to the 1 week time frame. Okay, 1 week time frame. What's the rule of trading on pullbacks? What's the rule of trading on pullbacks? Those on the Zoom, what's the rule of trading on pullbacks?
What's the rule on trading on pullbacks?
You have a rule. Okay, so the rule of trading on pullbacks is buy at low, sell at high, right? That's the rule of even trading cryptocurrencies, especially sports trading. Buy at low, sell at high. Now look at something, right? This market is at what? A high region. This on the 1 week time frame. Let's look at the highs of highs the market went to on the weekly time frame. The lowest of lows the market went to on the weekly time frame, right? So there's the lows, there's the highs, right? Now, if we are to target a pullback, let's come back to the 1D time frame. If we are to target a pullback, right, we are going to sell the market when the market is at high, and this is a high. What is this high? This is a higher high, right?
Yeah.
Good. This is the previous higher high, right?
Yeah.
Good. This is a previous higher high, right? Now look at this. This is a higher low. So even if you are going to sell this, even if you are going to buy this market, do you think, though the trend is saying an uptrend, do you think this is the right time to buy an uptrend, this trend?
No, at all. It's not the right time to buy.
Pardon?
This is not the right time to buy.
No.
Good. This is not the right time. So you have to be targeting a lower low. Now
Yeah.
the lower low could have a pullback. Now if you are going to trade on pullbacks, this is going to be your pullback. You put where the market retested before, this would be your pullback somewhere here to where the market to the previous higher highs before market goes for
Nah, higher.
a new higher high. So this now becomes your higher low.
Yeah.
Still on the uptrend. Do you get what I mean? So even if you are going to draw a trend line, right? A trend line is going to be something like this. It's just going to come somewhere. There will be another touch here.
Yeah. Pullback.
Then we'll have another pullback here. This is how you trade pullbacks. Very simple. Using the 1 week, the 1D, you know your setup, you know what you're looking for. You ride the market that way. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
Very, very clear, yeah. Cool. So I'm looking for selling opportunities on SXP 500. Already we are seeing 2 indecisive candles, 2 dojis. So yes, we should be looking for selling opportunities on SXP 500. So ladies and gentlemen, let's sell SPS 500. Right, let's sell SPS 500. Let's sell SPS 500. What is going to be our stop loss? What is going to be our TP? So our stop loss, if market, now people do ask, where do I put my stop loss? Elvis, where do I put my stop loss? Very simple. Put your stop loss at where stop loss should be put. If market could break above this whole, this whole level, definitely if market should break above this whole level, right? It signifies a break of market structure. Market could have more buys. That means this wouldn't be our higher highs. The higher highs could be something much higher. Do you get it? So we would definitely put stop loss at where stop loss is. So sales, I'm looking for sales on SPX 500. Right, I'm looking for sales on SSP 500. This was my setup, basic setup. So sell now. Wow. Man, I'm so mad at the silver trade. So mad. So mad.
Doc, don't be. If not because of the news, we would have caught that vibe.
All right, we would have caught that vibe. So sell now SXP 500. Where would our TP be? Where would our TP be? Hi man, I'm new here. Came in halfway through. I'm short at GBP NZD card. Did we sell NZD card? No, we sold GBP NZD. NZD card was, yes, we had a sell there, but it was with a sell stop. And we have our TP here. Let's quickly do this, because New York session would open in 50 minutes. We will definitely get the silver else back with US30. Those on the VIP, yes. This is going to be like 130 points, 130 points, right? 130 points. So 130 points target. So TP 130 points. TP is 4550. Man.
Means yesterday after.
Pardon?
I said it means yesterday he has to sell.
It has to sell. It has
Yeah.
to sell.
If you know like
It will sell. Not even it has to say it will sell. It will sell. And we are looking for stop loss, our stop loss would be where stop loss should be kept. That's 47. Man. 4730. Okay, 4730. For 730. Oh, bling. So stop loss would be 4730. That's 50 points. Precious, we can't hear you. Make sure your microphone is good. All right, so stop loss is 4730, somewhere there. Then our TP 45, that's like 130 points. We are risking 50 for 130 points. Just blew my $250 account selling gold. Congratulations. I told you we are not looking at anything on gold. I'm not looking on anything on gold. So XPS, that is XPS, guys. Alright, that's XPX. Alright, so let's straight come to US oil. What are we looking at on US oil? Wow, what's happening? Oh. Right, so SXP, you guys saw it's SPS, the XPS. Great. So yes, XPS 500. I'm all short here. I'm looking for selling opportunities. Right, I've already explained. We are all short here. So sells on X. XPS 500. Right, XPS 500 sells. Let me retype the TPs again. TP at 4550, that's 130 points. Definitely we will do a recap, so don't worry. Right, 4550, and our stop loss, at where stop loss should be placed. No. Stop loss at 4750, man. Crazy. Oh, sorry, 4730. Okay, 4730. That's going to be like 50 points. Okay. So apply proper risk management, guys. Apply proper risk management. Now let's go to my favorite pair, US30. So sell now XPX 500. Okay. Guys, do like the video, please. Do like the video. Right. GBP NZD. Yes, still holding. So let's go talk about US30. What's happening on US30? What are we looking on US30 today? I'm bearish on US30, so sell US30 now. Sell US30 now. sell US30 now. Stop loss should be 36 320. Doc, Desmond here. I just want to say I love you so much and God bless you every day. God bless you too, my brother. So sell US30 now, okay? Sell US30 now. Why sells on US30? I'm going to explain, right? Why are we looking for selling opportunities on US30? So TP would be 36 150, okay? 36 150, that would be our TP here, right? Beautiful. And our stop loss, where stop loss should always be kept, stop loss should be kept above that wick, that nice wick over there. Okay, so that's like 320. Okay, stop loss at 36 320. Right. So looking for selling opportunities on US30. That's our TP over there. We could even be looking at 35,900 if it's possible. All right, we could even be looking at 35 500. Very possible. Obviously, since NAS and XPS are similar trend, can we sell NAS 100? Let's look at NAS 100 charts. Let's look at NAS 100 charts. NAS 100. Let's look at NAS 100. Those on the Zoom, you are very silent today. Why? What's wrong? Okay, NAS 100 is on a breakout. So let's go to the 1 week. Let's see where the pullback would be. So looking at NAS 100 should come to 15,700. Okay, yes. NAS 100 could sell, but I don't like trading this. Could sell to maybe 15,900, maybe 16k. Maybe 16k, but let's just leave it. 16k maybe. Alright, it could sell to maybe 16k or something. But let's just leave it. Let's just leave NAS 100.
Since we are looking for sales on USD, let's look for sales on the 30.
We should look for sales where?
The 30.
Germany 30. Yes. But still playing around that zone. I don't like it.
Okay, this one we can use box strategy. Breakouts and
let's await the breakouts. Then we would.
Yeah. Let's just wait. But this one, we clap you out.
All right. So, guys, please like the video. Yes, please, guys, like the video. Like the video. Do like the video. Please do like the video. How many likes do you have so far? Wow, 59 likes. Come on, guys, you can do better. We are 167 here. Do like the video, please. I want to see 80 likes here before we continue. Please do just smash on the like button. It's very nice. All right, we are about to make bags on US30. Smash on the like button. The only thing I'm good at is liking your videos. Wow. Okay, so this guy, is it Adel Waheb? You said you lost money on gold, and guys, let's just make it 100. Let's just make it 100 before I go to the next thing. 91. Okay, 9 more for 100. 7 more for 100. 5 minutes to New York session. We could maybe get some vibes on US30. 5 more to 100. Wow, 2 more to 100 likes and we move. Boom. Thank you guys. God bless. All right, so let's look at Gemini 30. It's currently ranging, so there's nothing to trade there. For DXY, man, it's also ranging. It's a bit, I don't know. GU buying now, it's wow. That means US30 could maybe buy before selling. It's also very possible. But I'm still short on US30. Reason because gold has bought and the inflation is still high. So let's see. CAD JPY had a breakout. I missed this trade, guys. I missed this trade. I wanted to post this trade, but it was a sleeping time. Look at the card news. This was a card news. It was a sleeping time for me, so I couldn't. 5:44 a.m. I was fast asleep. I couldn't send anything. But it really went according to my plan, and I'm very happy for that. Breakouts, first candle closed. The rest is what? Money. So this is something that you must learn, right? If you are trading on breakouts, always await the first. This was a clear example of what I was trying to say. Wait for the first candle to close. The next candle that opens after the first candle closes, money. So if it opens above, right, you know that it's a confirmed breaker. But if it closes, the first candle closes and you see it coming back, know that it's a break and retest. If you see it coming down here and it goes, you know that it's a reversal trade. So that's how you figure out how to trade, right? Whether it's a trade, how to figure out breakouts, confirmed breakouts. Let's go to US30.
Notes taking.
Pardon?
I'm saying that powerful notes taking.
Yeah. We're in sales on US30. We're in sales on US30. Okay. GBP NZD so in profit, but very little profit. There's nothing to be proud about. And odd NZD2 in profits, but there's still nothing to be happy or proud about. Okay. All right, so 2 minutes to New York Open. All right, 2 minutes to New York Open. Let's see what we can get here. Yes, Bitcoin is on fire. Bitcoin is really, really on fire. Yes, it's all the news, right? It's all the news. Technically, Bitcoin looked like a breakout and it should retest before going up. But there was a CPI news that came up. That's what I want you guys to learn. Whenever fundamentals get into the markets, technicals disappear. All right, your setup becomes meaningless, right? So we were all waiting for retest. When it breaks below, we take sales, break retest, then boom, Man, it's Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin, so we shouldn't be surprised. 1 minute to New York session. Let's see what happens with US 30.
And you really said it yesterday.
And look at what
This
happened
CPI
on silver. I look at what happened on silver too. Breakouts here, waiting for rate tests. Market was rate testing nicely. News came, boom. You get me? So it's whenever news comes into the market, technicals disappear. What time frame are you trading on US 30? Okay, session has opened. I think I'm trading on a 30-minute time frame. Careful. Our session opened yet? Yes, it has. Oh. Whoa. Let's look at Nasdaq too. What is Nasdaq doing there? Nasdaq. And you can see DXY2 is also losing momentum. It makes the mark. That's what I don't like about the market, right? These days, DXY, you see it's bullish, you now see it's bearish. It comes down, it goes up. Gold is massive. Gold was massive. I couldn't get the buys.
Oh, this is DXY chart going down.
Pardon?
I said this is DXY chart. It's going down.
Right.
Have you guys opened sales on it?
Yes.
And are you guys selling?
Yes. All right, so let's look at
It's
Nasdaq too. Wait, let's see. It's still playing around. Let's see. Oh, it would hit. Oh, okay. Stop loss hit on US 30.
I
Oh,
would have checked DXY. I hate all these things.
so DXY is still ranging, and like been frustrating for some days now.
DXY was the cause of this. Yesterday was supposed to sell. DXY just
It will sell,
started
maybe
selling.
pump and sell. It's still ranging. So let's see. Let's still see. It may pump and reverse and sell, right? It's US 30. It will pump and definitely sell. Maybe we just had an aggressive trade or something. So let's see. So CPI made Bitcoin also go up. So nothing really. We'll definitely get a re-entry. Just wait. Okay, we'll just definitely get a re-entry. Please, can you tell me the CPI news? Was it good or bad? I was watching that, but starting Euro USD GBP went down, and my perspective, the news was good. Yes, but I saw good. News is news, right? Your news could be positive and gold will fly up. The news could be positive and gold will fly down. It doesn't really make any, aberrations. Okay. Right. So let's still see what is going to happen on US 30. We will definitely get an entry back again. Let's look at NAS 2. DXY, man, still doing its stuff. GBP CHF, GBP USD going up again. And now USD card is selling. And this is crazy. Gold, wow. Odd NZD still in little profits. Silver really humbled me today. Silver really did humble me today. NZD JPY looks bullish, but I don't think we should take this trade. We've already missed the whole move. Okay, we've already missed this whole move. I don't think we should take this trade. All right. So yes, 80 points, but it's currently running 50 points. So if you are targeting 80, the market is running 50 points. You should just leave the 30 to do its thing. So US 30, man, floating up. It's already hit our stop loss. Let's see what's going to happen next. Maybe it's already on a pullback. Okay, maybe it's already on a pullback. DXY is also flying. No, DXY is actually coming down. That makes US 30 go up, right? You know the vibes. How long does the news actually affected the markets an hour before it was released? And crazy. So this is where the pullback, the previous higher high is, right? So maybe it could have another bullish momentum again. Let's see. I'm not bullish on US 30, but if we still feel it's going to go up, we will definitely get an entry. Let's just keep watching now. Let's just keep watching. Fingers crossed. Let's just keep watching. Okay, no entries now. Let's just keep watching. Like I said, market would mostly pump before it dumps. So we'll still get into US 30 soon, guys. Don't worry, we'll still get into US 30 soon. The news, it depends on the kind of news, right? It depends on the kind of news. A news could be a red folder, but can affect the market 2 hours before. Some news will affect the market immediately it's released, right? CPI news like CPI, NFPs, they do affect the market ASAP as soon as it's released. Okay, they do affect the market ASAP. US 30 selling. FOMC, yes, FOMC is too straight up, right? US 30 is selling. Yes, I'm not confirm a sell now. Let's wait. Still on the way.
It actually did pad.
Pardon? Yes.
I said US 30 had a pad.
Yes, it had a pad pump and it dumped.
Mad, look at the mad sell. Wow.
It had a pump and dumped.
I swear, now that strategy will be the best.
Yeah, you just wait for the market to go up. And
I swear, to just do the shit there. You know the real direction. Asante, remember when they use this to the Lord? I miss it. Pad and tap and pad.
So still a waiting game on you. I'm not going to confirm it's a sell now. Let's still wait and see. Sorry to be a pain. I realized I made a wrong trade. I should have hold NSD card or take a loss when I don't get you. You are not a pain to me, okay? Traders make mistake. We try to, help them correct their mistakes. So it's not like you are being a pain. We are not in any trade on US 30 now. We are still
it's not stable at all.
We are not in any trade on US, so we are still waiting. Let's go look at SPX. What's happening on XPS? What's happening on XPX? Okay, XPS, nice. All right, so let's do this. Resell US 30. If XPS is stable, that means US 30 has to come down. So resell US 30. Resell US 30. Resell US 30. Resell US 30. My advice is, do you think I'm making the right move? Yes, I'll give the update, the stop loss update and everything. Or we should just leave it. What do you guys think?
Not trading is being profitable.
Not trading is also being profitable. Okay.
Well, that's when there's no clear setup, bro.
All right. On what basis are we going to sell US30? Even if you are going to sell US30, let's see.
I would think if it actually breaks above that and breaks below that retest area,
Still looks bullish to me. Always, we need coins to buy. I gave you a coin yesterday, Lina 500% on Lina. Yes, I do trade synthetic indices too. I do trade synthetic indices too. We can put a solid. Let's just wait. Let's just wait, man. It's crazy. Or let's just await a breakout, man. Or we should just leave it.
I'm thinking we should await a breakout.
Because this whole thing is in, we are still in a range here. Okay.
Yeah.
We are still in a range there.
We are in a range.
So let's just wait. A breakout of this trend line would. So let's wait on the sells, okay? Let's wait on the sells. A breakout below, we would go for a sell on US30.
Sure. That's perfect.
Because US30 has to really go down. Really good. It has to fall. I'm not bullish on US30. I'm not bullish on US30. It has to fall. It has to fall to 35,900 maybe, but today we are going to be targeting just 100. Right, we already hit stop loss. Don't forget about that. We already hit SL. Whenever you hit SL, how do you get back into the trade? Whenever you hit SL, how do you get back into the trade? Precious, whenever you hit SL, how do you get back into the trade?
Anytime I hit SL, how do I get back into the trade?
You do it.
It's you now. It's you now. I used to talk to you. It's you that will not ginger me again. If I hit SL, it's you now. I'll talk to you that, hey, help me hit SL. But all my problems of hitting SL back then because of my trade. So I'm not really hit SL on like some kind of real good network.
What's your TP on GBP NZD? You had a nice TP there, isn't it? GBP NZD, I don't know. It's a nice profit. GBP NZD is a nice profit. 21 pips. All right, let's just gather the courage to sell US30. Let's just gather the courage and let's just sell it. Because gold is buying very well, so US30 should be selling. Wait, where's GBP USD? Guys, let's sell US30. Let's sell US30. I'll tell you when to close this trade. Sell US30 now. Alright, sell it now. Resell. Resell. Okay, here we sold it here, so definitely, yep, something like this. Where would our stop loss be? Stop loss would be where stop loss should be, above this. Stop loss 36,330. Okay. Okay, man, today has been frustrating, very frustrating. 30, very frustrating, very frustrating. right? And TP is open. I'll tell you guys when we would close it. Okay, when we'll close it. So let's see. Okay. What is what is TP and stop loss for NZD, GBP NZD? This is it. Stop loss 19649, TP 189522 is on your screen. Okay. That's the trade for GBP NZ. It's nice. It's floating nice in profits. And odd NZD, odd NZD too. Nice floating profit. Let's talk about US oil, man. Let's talk about US oil. I'm bearish here because, well, let's see. Asante Ope, what's up with it? Crazy.
I've not looked at it though.
Okay, but it's playing a wedge here. Really playing a wedge here. Okay, so let's see. This whole thing I think is a fake out. Oil has to fall.
Anyways, can you zoom out?
Pardon?
Like zoom in, let us see the pattern. Okay. So it failed to create higher highs, broke structure. Yes, it's a sell.
Yes, let's see if it's, maybe I'll be going for sales if it break below this. Yes, oil report in 1 hour. I saw that news. We would see about that. I would use this to trade. Man, today has been, I don't know how to describe today. US 30 in profit. Sorry, not in profit. It's in a range bar or something. I don't know. Let's see. All right. Vanessa, we have a stop loss, blah blah blah. How can we purchase? How can we purchase a Lina? Yes, I had a lot of questions. How can we purchase Lina coin? Lina. So this is Lina. Lina is not linear. I said Lina. Linear is a different coin. Look at Lina. Let me show you here on CoinMarketCap. Right. Don't go and buy a different coin. Okay. Don't go buy a different coin. So this is Lina. Okay. This is it. Linear. This is the coin I'm talking about. Linear. Okay. Holders are increasing every single day. More holders, more pump in this coin. It's a very good coin. I love their project. I love the project a lot. I love their project a lot. Yes, you can get them on. You can get it on Binance. You can get it on Pancake Swap. You can get it on Bittrex. Those on, especially those in the US, UK. If you can't purchase it on Binance and on Coinbase, you can use Bittrex, Bitfinex. This is Bitfinex. Okay, register with Bitfinex. I don't work with Bitfinex though. I can register with Bitfinex. Okay, you can register with Bitfinex. This is Bitfinex. Nice. And this is Bittrex. And that is Bittrex. And that's Bittrex. That's Bittrex. Bittrex, Bitfinex, Bittrex. You can get, these are also cryptocurrency exchanges that you can get coins on. Okay. US 30 hasn't hit stop loss yet. It hasn't. I said it hasn't. Maybe soon, but it hasn't. 306, still some. Right, not my trading kind of day. I don't like today. It still has to sell. We will still sell US 30. Maybe on the page. So 3 trades, we are still holding 3 trades. GU cells, we are still holding GU cells. We are still holding GNZD cells. We are still holding XPX 500 cells. We are still holding US 30 cells, obviously, and we are still holding odd NZD buy. So those are going to be the trades that I'm going to hold for today. Today hasn't really been it, but I think with patience we will definitely get there. The vibes on SPX, right? We will definitely get the vibes on XPS with patience. Maybe US 30 wouldn't say stop loss, would calm down, then we really get the vibe. So I'll definitely send some signals on the group page. Today wasn't really nice. I didn't really like today, though we had some profit on GBP, NZD, but today wasn't really the kind of trading day. I don't know. Maybe I lost it from the CPI news. Maybe I lost it from the CPI news. I don't know. All right, so I'll definitely send a US 30 trade to all groups soon, very, very soon. Right, very, very soon. We would see what happens. Right, DXY. You can see it went down. It's going up again. The inflation has really been messing around traders a lot.
Always, could it be that the Fed now resign?
Pardon?
The social likeness and constitution like this?
Should we hit what?
Is it because the Fed executive has petitioned that he wants to resign.
Let's
There's
look.
an
I want to see the
investigation.
reason why he resigned. Fed boss resigns. Let's see. Why did you resign? Okay. Randall K. Coins resigned from the Fed Reserve Board. It's just pressure, right? He's just pressured by the current inflation crisis, right?
Yeah.
Just that, because the inflation is too much now and it's really, really, really destroying the markets. Really, 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 really.
It's like almost all the places are in consolidation now.
Yes, yes,
They are
yes.
not moving.
Yes, almost all of them. Almost. I would see. Would see. That is why I don't really hold positions now. I just scalp, I'm out, scalp, I'm out, scalp, I'm out. Just, but if you're going to really hold these trades, trust me, it's not really going to be nice. So let's see. I will definitely send some signals on the Telegram page. If you're not on my Telegram page, do link in bio. Get into it. I'll be sending some nice signals into the group soon. For especially for those that hit stop loss on US 30, we are going to quickly recover ASAP. Right, we are going to quickly recover ASAP. Michael, Precious, George, Fred. Any questions? Any questions? Although it's advisable to use FTX to trade crypto, they have recorded the lowest liquidity rate with less than 10 million, unlike Binance with 120 million liquidation. US 30 hasn't hit stop loss yet. We would see. It's almost. We would see. I'll definitely send a signal on it. And with Bitcoin too, we would see. Maybe I may even be bullish from now onwards. We would see. Let it just break above or break below. It's still in range for me, right? It's still in a big range for me. Big fat range. Right. DXY pushing up. So we would see on DXY too. GBP card was there. I think it was a trade that we really had some nice sells on. So guys, I'm still holding XPX 500. Okay, I'm still holding XPX 500. Still holding. It has to have a pullback, right? We still have to have a pullback. We still have to NSD card. I'm still holding NZD card, right? We still have to have NZD card, right? NZD card. Right, NZD card here. Okay, sell stops hasn't gotten activated. Like I said, there's a strong support here, right? So if this whole support could break above, right? If this whole support could break, below, there's a support here, a support here, a support here. If it breaks below this, definitely we are going to get 100 points. Sorry, 100 pips. I keep saying 100 points. There will definitely be 100 pips. So let's see. So I'm still holding NZD card, sell stops. It hasn't gotten activated. If it gets activated, definitely this will be our target. I'm risking very little here. And odd NZD, how is that going? Those in it. Odd NZD. Where is it? But this GBP I'm also holding GBP. You can see there's a nice downtrend. Market had a series of lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, a lower high here. This came for a fake out by the market maker, so definitely we are expecting some lower lows. It could even go here, right? It could even come 170 pips, right? 170 pips, but you can see we are not trying to be greedy. We are trying to get the 70 pips move. Okay, so you can keep holding this. I'll let you guys know on the signal pages when to add more positions or when to close. Someone is asking about Shiba. Always, no, I don't hold Shiba. I have nothing to do with Shiba. Shiba is already done. Look at the 1 week. Shiba is already done. Right? I don't trade Shiba. I'm not in Shiba. I've never held Shiba. I held it once, but I got out very, 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 very early. I got out very, very, very early. So we'll see on Shiba too. We'll see on Shiba. Right, and odd NZD. Odd NZ. Whoa, nice in profits. I'll be holding this too. So guys, we are still holding odd NZD. Right. Odd NZD, nice. 21 pips up on odd NZD. 21 pips also on GBP NZD. Okay, so very nice. So keep holding because we are still going to have the lower highs and the lower lows. Okay, we're still going to have the lower highs and the lower lows. So I'm still waiting for we still have to have a small news on USD. I think it's going to be a news that's not going to affect the market really. Right. Today is Wednesday. So yes, we still have a news on unemployment claims, right? It's out. So that news was a sell. We would still see on that, right? That news was a sell. There still has to be another news 10 p.m. on USD. That's the final wholesale inventories. It's not really going to affect the market though, but it's going to play a big role on US30, especially the unemployment claims, right? How high is the unemployment rate in US? We are going to see about that too. I'll definitely post another sec down, so don't worry about that. Nice trading day though. We hit stop loss on US30. We are up in nice blues on odd NZD. We are up in blues on GBP NZD. Any questions? Lame talk. I think it's now time to sell US30. Yes, we would see because the news was a sell on the claims, so we would see about that. It says lame talk. All right, any questions?
Thank you very much for this session, boss.
Any questions? All right, guys, God bless everyone for joining. Today was a bit slow, not my kind of trading day. Yesterday you could see we had back-to-back US30 trades. Today we hit stop loss on the live. It's okay, it's fine. I'll definitely send a recovery signal on the US30 trade. But aside that, odd NSD is still floating in nice blues. XPS I'm still holding. GBP NZD I'm still in sales, and I think NZD card, right, sell stops, it hasn't gotten activated yet. It will get activated very, very soon if the support gets broken down. If you guys don't have any question, I think we can end today's session. So I'm still holding this especially the NZ. Don't sell now. The NZD card, please don't sell now. The NZD card, don't sell now. NZD card.
So I have a word for you.
Come again.
I said I have a word for the people.
Okay, what word do you have for them?
Yes, the word I have to say is that this is the reality. This is the truth. This is the real reality of trading. The reason why most people get angry with mentors and some things is because they believe in the lies that we sold to them. That's if like trading is one kind of gold, like nobody loses, it's always about wins. This is the real reality. This is the truth. So if you can't live with
Yes,
This then
if of
trading is not
course,
for you. But
if you
this is the
can't
real
live
reality.
with a stop loss on US 30 today, it's not for you. Like now, I don't really
Trading is
even
not for
I don't
you.
even have energy for that. You could see I've been seeing one Blake guy. Let him just talk, do his talk. I don't have energy for that. The energy is not.
Because people believe in lies a lot. That is the truth is a lot of mentors sell you lies. But like that's why I love him a lot. I love Elvis Justice a lot. He's the only guy I've seen that's spoken truth about trading. But the lies they will sell you, they even want to take loans to trade as if it is that easy. It's not that easy. This is the real reality of it. So if you can't live with this, then forget trading. It's not for you at all. Forget it. That's what I have to say to them because all these people now they start talking nonsense like that guy on the
Right.
page.
All right, so go watch this my how I started trading. Right, it will make sense. It will really make go watch how I started trading. The things I've been through, right? The things I've been through. If you think this is a playground, you sometimes be up $500 and the next thing you have minus 1,000. Man, like it's crazy out here. It's really crazy out here, right? Trust me. No set, and no confirmations, no entries. If you start trading with $300 and you are trying to open 5 positions and you blow your account, you come to blame me. It's on you, right? So guys, God bless everyone for joining. What's the source stuff for NZD card? I would definitely send that signal to the group. Don't worry. US 30 didn't hit stop. It hit stop loss. It hit stop loss. US 30 hit stop loss. Okay, it hit stop loss and retraced back. Definitely, we are going to enter it again. So, thank everyone for watching. Auntie Efia, God bless you. Cephas, God bless you. Emmanuel, the two Emmanuels, God bless you. Mr. Fred, definitely, Mr. Fred. You are going to be with us during you're going to be with us during the cryptocurrency. You would tell them how you started trading. I remember when you took, I think was it a $50 to 1,000 or something, Mr. Fred. He took, I think it was it 50 to 4,000 and he lost everything back. He took 50 to 5,000 or 4,000, I've forgotten, and he lost everything. But he's going to also explain the psychology on that soon.
Yeah,
And
obviously.
yes, Mr. Fred, how are you?
Yeah. I'm good. How about you?
I'm very fine. How much was it? I remember you took,
I
was
think
it
it
someone?
was 50 to like, is it 6K or
Wow,
something?
look, he took
Yeah.
$50, right, to 60K, right?
No, 6K,
Hey,
6K,
sorry,
6K.
6K, and he blew
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. Out
So,
of greed and poor risk management.
was it because of signals or it was just because you
No,
did
no,
one
no, no.
thing?
No, because of greed. It was out of
It
greed,
was
not because
out
of
of greed.
signal.
So he learned from
Yeah.
that and he improved on that. That's how you
Yeah.
become very good. Right. So tomorrow definitely we will still catch some nice movement in the market, right? So let's still hold the trades. Thank you, Mr. Fred. George Asari, how are you? You haven't talked today. Precious, thanks for coming.
I'm fine, bro.
You are very fine. And Michael, thanks for coming. So anytime you lose a trade, right, or anytime you're on a losing streak, I'm currently on my losing streak. I'll be honest with you. I'm not really, yesterday I hit back to back, but that's not me. I feel like I can do better. I feel like I can maybe do a 200 points, it's sometimes like that. The market sometimes be like that, and we can't do anything about it. We can just be here and watch it. So I'll definitely send a trade on US 30 very soon. Like the video and do our weight on the signals. God bless everyone for joining. See you tomorrow. All right, see you tomorrow, same
God
time.
bless you.
See you too, boss. God bless you too, boss. Yes, boss.
Oh, Elvis, the time, is perfect.
Yes,
It works out.
This is the current. This is the right time, right?
This one is the right time. Okay, so that would be 8:30. So that was 8:30 our time, then not
Okay,
7:30.
great. So that should be 8:30 your time. Very
Right,
good.
US time. Okay.
All right, great. So guys, recovery trades coming for US 30. God bless everyone for joining. Bless.